my newborn cousin for the first time. I am 22 years old and I've never been to my homeland. When he is 22 years old, we may not have a homeland. We'll just be an idea. The history of our people will have been swallowed by the ocean and will become a myth, a story, and there'll be nowhere for our roots to grow from. We, as Pacific Climate Warriors, are fighting not only to protect our future, but to protect our past. Our ancestors' history, our people's mana, our families' homes are all at risk. And some have already been lost. The Pacific is feeling the effects of climate change faster, more clearly, and more drastically. As a collection of nations that contributes to less than 1% of the global carbon emissions, we are facing the consequences of climate change in full. Climate justice is indigenous liberation. Climate justice is patriarchal liberation. Climate justice is our liberation. And we refuse to be silent as our way of life is being threatened. So to my fellow warriors here, I say to you, you are Matagi malohi. Strong winds villaging children, brown bodies molding brown minds, moving between healer and warrior, formulating the visions of liberation for years to come. And to the rest of the world we say, we are not drowning! We are not